Hello, I'm Karla and I'm going to be presenting about Karrageenan-Chitosan multi-layered capsules, which is my thesis. Multi-layered hollow capsules are capsules with layers of polyelectrolyte polymers deposited on the surface of a sacrificial core template. The layers are deposited on top of each other in a self-assembly mechanism driven by the electrostatic forces between the two polyelectrolytes, which are opposite in charge. The core template is then dissolved, which makes the capsules hollow. My thesis focuses on the drug delivery capability of these capsules. So I'll be encapsulating drug fluorouracil, a chemotherapy drug with a large variety of side effects and toxic effects on the human body. I'll be examining the rate of encapsulation and release profile of my Karrageenan-Chitosan multi-layered capsules as a function of time. So why is this a big deal? Well, just the fact that it's made from chitosan and carrageenan, which are abundant here in the Philippines and can be easily acquired. Chitosan is the deacetylated form of chitin, which is present in the shells of crustaceans, in particular shrimps. Carrageenan is also present in red seaweed, which is also abundant here in the Philippines. And the best thing about using these materials is that they are biocompatible and non-toxic. For drug delivery, multi-layered capsules are a big deal because they make incompatible drugs like didanosine compatible for oral delivery, as well as preventing the drug from being degraded while going to the specific site of delivery. Didanosine, whose structure is shown here, undergoes hepatic first-pass metabolism, which means that it degrades as it goes through the digestive system. And the dosage of the drug supposed to be for treatment is greatly reduced when it reaches the target site. The hollow capsules allow the drug to reach its target site without being degraded. It also releases the target drug slowly so that the drug doesn't lose its potency in the long run. And toxic effects of too much dosage can be prevented because only a certain amount of drug is released at a time. For the commercialization of the hollow capsules, these can be used for the encapsulation and controlled release of special drugs for treatment of diseases, but it can also be used for the encapsulation of active ingredients in other things. But as for the drug delivery function, its target market is the pharmaceutical companies who sell the special drugs for treatment of special diseases. Instead of selling the drug as it is, they could encapsulate the drug in the hollow capsules and sell it like that. For the relevance to Filipino inventors, the material which makes up my capsules, chitosan and carrageenan, are abundant here in the Philippines and can be bought for a cheap price. A lot of people from other countries are importing chitosan and carrageenan for their studies and have developed novel technologies like biodegradable material shown in this photo made up of chitosan. There are a lot of people who have a smaller supply of chitosan and carrageenan compared to us and are utilizing this resource. So since this is a really abundant resource here in the Philippines, we should be working on them. And for the related patent, this is a patent about using polymer multi-layer capsules for the sustained release of different things, not just for drug delivery. So this patent specifies the size range of the capsules and how they are used for encapsulation of active components in other things like food, cosmetics, and self-healing materials.